In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add broker to MT4. So you want to open up the application right here, and simply inside, you want to click on File. Inside File, click on Open an Account. Basically, inside this page, we have a list of companies or brokers that you can simply select. Now, if you cannot see your broker right here, you can simply type it inside the search bar and it will automatically be added onto our list. Now, in my case, let's say that I'm using one of the FP markets as my broker. I'll just click on the find your company, and right after we will be able to see that it's been added to our MetaTrader 4. You can simply select your broker from here, click on next, and then you want to simply select the last option, which is to connect with an existing trade account, enter your credentials, select your server, and from there you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.